Hey everyone! Welcome to the Queen Carnivore channel, where we explore all kinds of health and nutrition topics. Today, we're focusing on the ladies out there interested in starting the carnivore diet. If you're curious about how eating only meat can impact your health and well-being, you're in the perfect spot. I've got 7 essential tips to help you start this journey smoothly and effectively. So make sure to stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to not miss out on more helpful guides like this one. Let's dive into the meat of the matter. We're diving into how to kickstart your journey on the carnivore diet, especially focusing on the importance of planning. Let's get into it. Understand the basics. The carnivore diet is all about animal products only. This means your meals will be centered around meats, fish, eggs, and certain dairy products. Meal planning tips. Breakfast. Consider starting your day with eggs and bacon or a slice of ham. Lunch. A portion of salmon or tuna steaks can be both filling and nutritious. Dinner. Rotate between beef, pork, and chicken to keep your meals interesting and balanced. Preparing your kitchen. Stock up on essential carnivore ingredients like quality meats and eggs. Consider investing in a good set of kitchen tools to make meal prep easier. Starting with a solid plan will not only help you stay on track, but also ensure you enjoy a variety of foods within the diet's guidelines. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed guides and tips on following the carnivore diet effectively. The next tip is all about keeping your meals exciting and nutritionally balanced by including a variety of meats. Let's dive into how you can add diversity to your carnivore diet. Why variety matters. Eating different types of meats ensures you get a range of nutrients, which can help cover your nutritional bases and prevent dietary boredom. Types of meats to include: beef, rich in iron and vitamin B12. Try different cuts like steaks, roasts, and ground beef. Pork. Look for loin chops or tenderloin for leaner options that are still flavorful. Lamb. Offers high-quality protein and is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Chicken. Versatile and lean, great for a quick meal. Don't forget to include the skin for extra fats if your diet permits. Fish. Especially fatty types like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Create a mixed meat platter with your favorite cuts to share with family or friends. By rotating through various meats, you'll not only enjoy a rich tapestry of flavors, but also help ensure that your body receives a variety of nutrients essential for health. Let's dive into another essential tip for all women starting the carnivore diet: staying hydrated. It's super important, especially as your body adjusts to a higher protein intake. Let's break down why hydration is key and how you can ensure you're getting enough water every day. Why hydration matters. On a high-protein diet like the carnivore diet, your body needs more water to help metabolize protein and manage the waste products. Staying hydrated helps prevent issues like kidney stones and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. How much water to drink? Aim for at least 8-10 cups of water a day, but listen to your body. Your needs might be higher based on your activity level and the amount of protein you consume. If you're active or it's a hot day, increase your water intake to compensate for the extra fluid loss through sweat. Tips to stay hydrated. Keep a water bottle with you throughout the day to make sipping water easy and convenient. Set reminders on your phone or use a hydration tracking app to keep you on schedule. If you find plain water boring, try adding a slice of lemon or lime for a refreshing twist. Remember, hydration is a key component of any diet, especially one that's heavy in protein, like the carnivore diet. Make sure you're drinking enough water to support your health and keep your body functioning at its best. Here is a crucial aspect that often goes overlooked: managing your electrolytes. Since this diet is super low in carbs, it's important to make sure you're getting enough sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Let's break down how you can keep your electrolyte levels balanced. Understanding electrolytes. Sodium is key for fluid balance and nerve function. On a no-carb diet, your body sheds more sodium than usual. Potassium helps with muscle contractions and heart function, which are essential as your body transitions. Magnesium supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function. Why supplementing matters. Without the usual carbs, your body uses up electrolytes faster, which can lead to fatigue, headaches, and muscle cramps. Maintaining proper electrolyte levels helps avoid these symptoms and ensures your body functions optimally. How to supplement. Consider adding a pinch of salt to your water or meals to boost sodium levels. Include magnesium and potassium supplements, especially if you're experiencing signs of deficiencies like muscle twitches or cramps. Eating foods like bone broth can naturally enhance your intake of essential minerals. Remember, each person's body reacts differently, so it's important to pay attention to how you feel and adjust your electrolyte intake accordingly. Don't forget to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Another tip for starting the carnivore diet, especially for women, is about easing into this major dietary change. It can be a big shift from a standard diet, so it's important to transition smoothly to help your body adjust. Let's dive into how you can start incorporating more meats while reducing carbs gradually. Understand the transition. Your body is used to burning carbs for energy, and it will need time to switch to using fat and protein instead. This change can affect everything from your energy levels to how you feel day to day. Gradually reduce carbs. Start by cutting out obvious sugars and refined carbs like bread, pasta, and sweets. Replace these with lower-carb options initially, such as vegetables that are lower on the glycemic index. Increase meat intake slowly. Begin by adding more protein to your meals and slowly make meat the central part of your diet. Start with easier-to-digest options like chicken and fish before moving on to richer meats like beef and pork. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel as you make these changes. If you feel sluggish or off, it might be a sign to adjust your approach. Stay flexible and consider how your meal timing and portion sizes might need to change as your diet changes. Transitioning slowly not only helps mitigate some of the initial discomforts, but also gives you a better chance of sticking with the diet long term. Remember, this is a process, and your journey should be tailored to fit your individual health needs. Next, we're focusing on an important aspect of starting the carnivore diet, especially for women, watching out for transition symptoms. As your body shifts from burning carbs to fats for energy, a state called ketosis, you might experience some temporary changes. Let's break down what to expect and how to handle these symptoms. Identify common symptoms. When you first switch to the carnivore diet, it's common to experience fatigue, headaches, and irritability. These are often part of what's known as the keto flu. You might also notice changes in your digestion or sleep patterns during this adjustment period. Stay hydrated. Increasing your water intake can help alleviate some symptoms like headaches and fatigue. Drinking enough water is crucial since your body will shed more water as you reduce carbs. Consider salt intake. Adding more salt to your diet can help balance your electrolytes, which can be thrown off during the transition to ketosis. A little extra salt can help reduce lethargy and prevent cramps. Be patient and persistent. These symptoms are usually temporary, lasting from a few days to a couple of weeks. Keep in mind that your body is undergoing a significant metabolic change, so give it time to adapt. Monitor your well-being. Keep track of how you're feeling each day. If symptoms persist or worsen, it might be wise to consult with a healthcare provider. Understanding and preparing for these symptoms can make your transition to the carnivore diet smoother and more manageable. Remember, each person's experience is unique, so listening to your body is key. Last but not least, this tip for women starting the carnivore diet is all about keeping your cooking simple. This diet focuses primarily on meat, so mastering a few basic cooking techniques can make your meals both delicious and easy to prepare. Let's dive into how you can make this happen. Choose basic cooking techniques. Grilling. This method brings out the natural flavors of the meat and gives it a great texture. It's perfect for steaks, chicken, and fish. Roasting. Ideal for larger cuts of meat like roasts or whole chickens. Roasting in the oven makes for a tender and flavorful meal. Frying. Quick and easy, frying in a skillet works well for smaller cuts of meat, like bacon or ground beef. Keep seasoning simple. When starting, use just salt and maybe some black pepper to enhance the natural flavors of the meats without adding carbohydrates. As you get more comfortable, you can experiment with adding zero-carb seasonings like garlic powder or dried herbs if they fit within your diet plan. Use quality fats. Cook your meats in high-quality fats like butter, ghee, or animal fats. These not only add flavor, but also help you feel full and satisfied. Focus on quality meat. Invest in the best quality meat you can afford, as higher quality meat will not only taste better, but also provide you with better nutrition. Practice food safety. Always ensure your meats are cooked to the proper internal temperatures to avoid any foodborne illnesses. This is especially important with poultry and pork. By keeping your cooking simple and focusing on these techniques, you'll be able to enjoy satisfying and nutritious meals on the carnivore diet. That's a wrap on our 7 essential tips for starting the carnivore diet for women. We covered everything from planning your meals and including a variety of foods to staying hydrated and managing your electrolytes. Remember, whether you're easing into it or adjusting to new foods, it's all about taking it one step at a time. Make sure to listen to your body and keep things simple in the kitchen. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who might be looking to switch to a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.